Let's go to sample problems. Dito tayo muna sa simple strain. Basahin ko ha. During a stress strain test, the unit of deformation at the stress is 35 megapascal, that's meganewton per square meter, or that's megapascal, was observed to be 166.67 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter per meter. And at a stress of 140 megapascal, it was 666.67 times 10 raised to negative 6 meter per meter. If the proportional limit was 200 meganewton per square meter or megapascal, what is the modulus of elasticity? Di ba, as I have mentioned kanina, sabi ni Hooke's, the Hooke's law states that the modulus of elasticity is the slope, o binigyan ka na ng dalawang points. Tingnan mo. Dito, if the stress daw is 35 meganewton per square meter, the deformation daw is 166.67. So parang padis-padis ba? Duha ka padis ang ginhataghan problem. Di madali light pag bilingit modulus of elasticity. You know the formula for slope naman, di ba? Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. What you need to establish lang kung sino yung y, sino yung x. And this is very important. Take note that the stress is always the y and the strain is the x. Okay? Kaya nga tinawag na stress strain diagram, di ba? Stress yung y, strain yung x. Stress strain diagram. So yun yun. So if you would go to to the solution from the formula ng slope, which is y sub 1 minus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, or that is the change in y divided by the change in x. Yun lang yun. So corresponding change in y over corresponding change in x. So nakuha natin yung modulus of elasticity to be 210,000 megapascal, or that is 210 gigapascal. Or pwede rin naman gumamit tayo ng mode 3-2. O input nyo lang. Take note that the y is the stress, x is the strain. Input mo lang yung dalawang pair. Pair by pair dapat. Then, if you want to solve for the modulus of elasticity, that's just equal to the b sa calculator. Kasi sa calculator, yung nakasulat doon, y is equal to mx plus b. Yun yun. So, your b, sorry. This is the formula, the standard equation of a line. Sa calculator kasi nakaganyan yan, is equal to a plus bx. Yung padis ng x is the b. Diba? Yung padis ng x is the slope. So, b yung kinukuha natin dyan. So, this is the slope. B sa calculator. And then if you want to solve for number 30, nahanap nyo dyan, tingnan nyo. What is the strain corresponding to the stress? So may niya stress nga 80 meganewton per square meter or megapascal. Hinahanap niya dyan yung corresponding strain. Alam naman natin na strain is the x. So x hat yun, corresponding to 80. So yun lang. That's how you solve for the Hooke's law lang yan eh. Basta slope is the modulus of elasticity. Then, if you already have 2 points on the line, madali na lang kunin kung ano yung corresponding stress ng any value ng strain, or vice versa. Kung ano yung value ng strain sa corresponding value ng stress. Okay, dito tayo sa number 31.